I first got involved with geospatial data, mapping data, and that's all becoming open data. So let me explain that transition. I graduated with an urban planning degree in the early 90s. So 91, I started working for a federal agency that does planning in the DC area. I was trained to do a little geographic information system work, and there was no data to work with at all. We had to work together with different agencies, the feds, the District of Columbia, multiple agencies in order to be able to pay for this expensive and exotic data. So we first started sharing data. I think it really helped different agencies see what the other agencies were doing. We became a place where the agencies worked together and knew more about what the others were doing than in many other places that may have been more important. Here in Maryland, I think we've begun to leverage this national trend to take this beyond geospatial into all sorts of data sets that weren't traditionally published. And it's exciting to see these worlds coming together and evolving. When we do transactions in the government, we buy something, it's a procurement, it's a big deal, or when we take in money, we have to manage it very carefully. By being open, making things available for free, it's the first dollar we charge, we get into a lot of bureaucracy. And by eliminating that, we save a lot of money, we save a lot of time sharing data amongst ourselves. I think that's an important part of our philosophy in Maryland is we're trying to minimize the transaction costs, and free is our best tool in doing that.